This video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Baseball 9 on school Chromebook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about which options you have to download Baseball 9 on a school Chromebook. As you might be aware, Baseball 9 is primarily available for mobile devices, so if you have an Android device, you can go over to the Google Play Store to download the game, and if you have an iOS device, you open the App Store. When you download it, you will be able to play for free using touch controls and so on. Now, you might be curious if it is possible for you to play it on a school Chromebook. Well, the game isn't officially available for any device besides mobile. So, as it stands today, you can get it to work. However, you will need to download additional tools. Because of this, it can be quite difficult to make it work. If your school blocked a lot of websites, including the emulators that we have to use, then it is going to remain impossible. However, if you are able to download BlueStacks, you will be able to play Baseball 9 on your school Chromebook or any other PC. So, BlueStacks is essentially an Android emulator. It allows you to download any game from the Play Store or the App Store, and you can run it on your PC. It will emulate the controls, and all that you have to do is download BlueStacks from their official website. Just run the installer, and you will be able to find the actual Google Play Store where you can download Baseball 9. However, as I've made it very clear, if this website is blocked on your school Chromebook, then sadly there isn't anything that you can do. You will need to be able to access BlueStacks and download it from here, and only after you do, you will be able to play. If this page or any other emulator is blocked or you can't download it because it doesn't work on your operating system, then it is going to remain impossible. You can only play Baseball 9 officially through mobile devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Baseball 9 on school computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.